Hi. This question is related to the Doppler effect in the sound waves. It says an ambulance and a truck are moving with the same speed and approaching each other as shown in the figure below. So, as the ambulance and the truck having the same speed, we can write this is Vs and this is also Vs. But let's us read the remaining of the question. The siren of the ambulance emits a sound of a frequency 508 Hertz. So the siren, here a siren in the ambulance, and emits a sound which is a real frequency 508 Hertz. And the driver of the truck hears it with a frequency of 542 Hertz. So this is the F prime, which is the heard frequency by the driver of the truck is 542 Hertz. Now the question asks you to calculate the speed of the ambulance or the speed of the truck as the truck and the ambulance having the same speed. So we need to calculate Vs. The situation we have now is a situation in which the source of the sound and the observer are moving and approaching each other, getting closer and closer. Then we need to apply this kind of equation, which F prime equals to something multiplied by the real frequency of the source. Here inside the brackets we have the velocity of the sound plus V0, the velocity of the observer, over the velocity of the sound again minus the velocity of the source. But now you need to remember that the observer is the driver of the truck, and the driver of the truck is moving with the speed of the truck. Then V0 should be here, or VO sometimes, because V of the observer is equal to Vs. Then the F prime equal to 542 equals the velocity of the sound plus Vs over the velocity of the sound minus Vs. But why I'm choosing here plus and here minus? Because the source and the observer are approaching each other. This is all multiplied by the real frequency, which is 508. Now to proceed in the solution, we need to divide by 508 to make it easier, and here by 508. Cancel those each other. 542 over 508 equal 1.0669, which is 67, equals V plus Vs over V minus Vs. I know the V, which is the velocity of the sound, which is 340, but I will use this number later on. Then here this number is over 1 every time. We need to multiply this by 1 and this by that, and to proceed. So V plus Vs equals to 1.067 times V minus 1.067 times Vs. Sorry. Okay, now we need to do the remaining mathematics, so that I want to calculate Vs, and I have another Vs here which is minus sign, so I'll bring this here and I will put that the V toward the V. So in the left hand side we have Vs plus, I need to change the sign, 1.067 Vs equals 1.6067 V minus V. So here we have here 2.067 Vs equals 0.067 V. Why and how I'm writing this? The number which is here is 1, so 1 plus this one equals to this number. Here the number is 1, this number minus 1 is equal to this. Now I'm dividing by 2.067 by 2, here also 0.6067, and this is cancel this, so Vs equals 0.067 over 2.067 times V. This is the velocity of the sound, which is 340. Now the only thing we need to do to make this calculation by the calculator and get the answer in meter over second. This is the answer of this question. I hope you found it useful. Thank you.